What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Chilling with Jay. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're not new to the channel, welcome back. I'm on my way to Daytona Beach. Finna go to the truck meet right now. Pick up my nephew in Daytona, him and his brother. Taking the L350. Y'all check it out. Let me know what you think. Got her washed up, but we on our way. Finna take off. She washed right now. Tell me what y'all think. I only did the inside. If you follow my channel, you'll see that I completed the inside. I just got to do the outside. She washed right now. Finna get on the road and take off. Like I said, today is the day we heading to Daytona to the truck meet. Nothing but lifted trucks, 100K trucks, all types of trucks. Finna get on the road, heading out right now. For you guys that don't know, every year Daytona have a little truck meet. Well, it ain't little, it's big. Be a lot of people all over the world head down there in the L350. I'll show y'all some clips when I get out the truck. Got the truck clean. He ain't ready how I want it to be, but I just want to get some footage of the trucks down there. Let you know what that Florida stuff look like. We're on the road right now, heading to Daytona Beach. See what this is. Hello? I was recording. Yeah. You say what? Nah, I'm recording. Just left the house, she calling already. But anyways, we gonna jam to a little music to Daytona, man. Y'all go check him out, get it. Thinking ahead. Follow him, subscribe to his channel. Check him out. Y'all can't see it, let me rotate. Right now.
By Ghosted. You ain't never heard of him?
Started with nothing, no look at me now. I started with nothing, no look at me now. I started from nothing, no look at me now. Came from the bottom with keys to the sky. Soon as I land, I'm getting back high. Better wake up, we hit our location to buy. Been thinking ahead so the hood never dry. Play with that money, somebody gon' die. I had to re-up and do it again. Yeah, I had to re-up and do it again. I know the folks wanna keep the dough in. Supply the legitimate customer spend. Don't plan on going to prison again, but shout out to tell the boys to get it in. Just bought a new safe and stuff it with bins. Been stashing the money and helping my kin. Police kept pulling me, sit down the bench. Somebody singing, ain't one of my friends. You think it's a game till somebody get shot? Just got and go cause the spider got hot. They thought I was stuck in the crowd pot. I told them by listening to mascots. I got a lady, don't need me no thought. Investing in property, I run the board like Monopoly, yeah. Circle still, got no room for no square. Heard you went broken, I really don't care. Been through the struggle, you never was there. You ain't give me shit up for 1 and a half. I'm on a new level, just teleported. Don't blame her, she cannot ignore it. I count up and count up, no such thing as bored. Too much in the safe, I done went overboard. Might go buy a boat to meet chick on the coast. Found out where it's at and ain't even a dope. All wrist in the pot, he remixing them. He jumping, these hoes wanna jump on the stage. Flipping the script on a whole nother page. On so many islands, don't know where to stay. Departure to Atlanta, then Canada. I made a hill with no manager. Topping the rig to pay bills with a shake. Just feeding the day, we don't go on no dates. Food on the table, gave everyone place. TD this shit from a whole other state. A chim in the kitchen, it's too much weight. Been buying the hood back to build a estate. Used to complain every time that I pray. Wonder gon' see better days. Now I wake up and go get it. They holler and get it, put up for the city. Fuck niggas always gon' hate, you know why. Don't question that shit, I should ride with that fire. If I say the word, everybody gon' ride. If I say the word, it ain't nowhere to hide. She wanna be great, so don't fuck up my vibe. When they wanna fuck, I should bust her and slide. She know I'm going straight to the money, ain't worried about no bitch on the side. Then we just so loud out your name to Coachella. But when I just Coachella. Well, you're not on my level. That shit that you pull, you ass to one. This might be the night you go dance with the devil. Your grave dug us, always say with the show. And the next nigga play getting full like a puzzle. I was trying to be humble, unleashing the flood. And I'm dropping no price on the train. Yeah, they got this all free play, the free ring. When my little brother jump, I'ma give him some cheese. No stress to re-up until everyone up. At 3 a.m. damn it, I'm still counting up. This bitch in my inbox, she just wanna fuck. But I got no time, cause I'm still counting up. I started from nothing, no look at me now. Came from the bottom with keys to the sky. Now I'm on as I land, I'm getting back high. Better wake up with here, on location to buy. Been thinking ahead so the hood never dry. Good with that money, somebody gon' die. I had to re-up and do it again. Yeah, I had to re-up and do it again. I know the folks wanna keep it the win. Supply the legitimate customers fans. I'm playing on going to prison again. But shout out to tell the boys to get it in. She bought a new saves to stuff it with Ben. Bitch stashing the money and helping my kin. Only shit one of me sit down the fence. Somebody singing like one of my friends. You think it's a gangster, somebody get shot? Yeah, you heard the story, but they catch the plot.
Like I said, YouTube, that was Get It. Thinking ahead, man. Go check his channel out. Go check his page out. Gonna listen to some more tunes, man. Let me know what y'all think. I think that was fire. Let me know what y'all think. I'm keeping it in rotation. Get it. No bodyguard. Let me know what y'all think, man. That boy Snap. Check him out.
This little nigga that be, you know, they be hating but wanna be down with a nigga. Old clown ass nigga. No, I don't need no bodyguard, they guard your bitch, nigga. Hood stop, so she gon' treat me like a. No, I don't need no bodyguard, she guard your bitch, nigga. Hood stop, so she gon' treat me like a rich nigga. I could be the one that called and try that dick off. Legs gon' be weak, jet lag before we lift off. Put you in the law, or do you undress you out of there? I should wanna stand up in that pussy while you bounce it back. We can roll up once, count on stack, are you cool with that? Put you in some woods, let you stunt, and you can own that. Damn right, she independent, but she still spoiled. My rubber feet, while I lace her down with baby oil. She a fan that love to fucking play my bass tape. Every time she claims she home and get my DA. A real nigga could never hate, cause that's the whole trait. Honestly, I probably fuck your mama back in 08. I been straight, this rap money just to donate, you're too late. Yesterday sold over 10 plays, rolling around for the shine, and when it costs some more diamonds.
Boy, that nigga say he fucked your mama in 08.
Why side a deal when I don't need no one to co-sign it? You can live your dream, all you gotta do is keep grinding. Tell promoters other ain't it, cause I'm declining. You an artist with a limited budget. I'm a nigga hitting licks at a budget. 380 with a beam on me clutch. You when you get that type of money, ain't no one to be trusted. Don't keep out to touch a million, ask the hood, I ain't just rapping. I flash you on some gangster shit, your boy don't know what's happening. No sucker shit, we snapping, tell your beat to stop crap. I spent way more just to real, won't believe how much I'm grabbing. Don't wanna hurt nobody, you get jumped, just keep it solid. They on me cause I got it, come and plug in with a socket. Look boy, I been popping high school, selling roxes. Flawless in my mouth, pointers hitting like they rocket. Yeah, I'm humble to be honest, could be shitting on these niggas. But they already started putting troll up in my business. Got me calculating steps, no I can't move wrong. If I get pulled right now, I might end up on a tombstone. Now that's about for you to dwell on. Don't got life, but you alright, you caught the cell phone. Caught my pistol, got protect me while I head home. Can't die like Parker, who my family depending on. It's animosity, these lanes got imaginary beef. They hated on still smiling, chucking diamonds on my teeth. Chuck got off the phone with Reese, I'm about to JK all my hitters. And they knew it ain't no cover, got your bitch sending pictures. The consequences made me wise enough. Late nights, early mornings, I was grinding, bro. They say you straight already, don't know what I'm grinding for. My lady tripping, claim that I don't got no time for her. We should love you work where you wanna go in next.
Like I said, man, go check that boy out, man. He snapped on there. Get it, man. No bodyguard. I know the truck's shaking right now. I'm hauling ass, but go check him out, man. Subscribe to his page, man. Check him out. That boy snapped on that song. No bodyguard. Finna watch this road, man. Just had a little jam. Little music. Show y'all, man, I'm on the road, I'm on the way. We coming. Man, Sanford right now, coming through Sanford.
Somebody think it's ain't one of my friends. You think it's against or somebody get shot. Just cop and go cause the spider got hot. They thought I was stuck in the crowd pot. I told them about listening to mascots. I got a lady, don't need me no thought. Investing in property, I run the board like Monopoly, yeah. Circle still, got no room for no square. Heard you went broken, I really don't care. Been through the struggle, you never was there. You ain't give me shit up, put one in the L. I'm on a new level, just teleported. Don't blame her, she cannot ignore. I count up and count up, such niggas bored. Too much in the safe, I done went overboard. Might go buy a boat to meet cheek on the coast. Find out where it's hitting, ain't even a dough. All wrist in the pot, here it mixing up. Then jumping, these hoes wanna jump on the stage. Flipping the script on a whole nother page. On so many islands, don't know where to stay. Departure to Atlanta, then Canada. I made it here with no manager. Topping the red up, pay bills with a shake. Just feeding the date, we don't go on no dates. Food on the table, gave everyone place. TD this shit from a whole nother state. A gym in the kitchen, it's too much weight. Been buying the hood back to build a estate. Used to complain every time that I pray. Wondering when we gon' see better days. Now I wake up, they go get it. They holler and get it, put up for the city. Fuck niggas always gon' hate, you know why. Don't question that shit, I should ride with that fight. If I say the word, everybody gon' ride. If I say the word, it ain't nowhere to hide. Should wanna be great, so don't fuck up my vibe. When big wanna fuss, I just bust and slide. She know I'm going straight to the money, ain't worried about no bitch on the side. Then we just so loud out your name to Coachella. Bubble out is Coachella. Give me your packs, boy, you not on my level. That shit that you pull, you ass to this might be the night you go dance with the devil. You great dug us, always there with the show. And the next nigga play getting fold like a puzzle. I was trying to be humble, unleashing the flood. And I'm dropping the price on the track. And the cap is on the free play, free ring. When my little brother jump, I'ma give him some G's. Don't trust to re-up until everyone up. At 3 a.m. damn it, I'm still counting up. That bitch in my inbox, she just wanna fuck. But I got no time cause I'm still counting up. I started from nothing, new look at me now. Look at me now, bottom with keys to the sky. Now I'm on I land on getting back high. Better wake up with here, our location to buy. Been thinking ahead so the hood never dry. Got with that money or somebody gon' die. I had to re-up and do it again. Yeah, I had to re-up and do it again. I know the folks wanna keep the dough in. Supply the legitimate customers spend. Don't plan on going to prison again. But shout out to tell that boys to get it in. Just bought a new safe to stuff it with bands. Been stashing the money and helping my kin. Police kept pulling me, sit down the bench. Somebody singing, ain't one of my friends. You think it's a gangster, somebody get shot? Yeah, you heard the story, but they catch the plot. Play with that money, somebody gon' die. I had to re-up and do it again. Yeah, I had to re-up and do it again. I know the folk wanna keep the dough in. Supply the legitimate customer spend. Don't plan on going to prison again, but shout out to tell the boys to get it in. Just bought a new Sims and stuff it with bins. Stashing the money and helping my kin. Police kept pulling me, sit on the bench. Somebody singing, think one of my friends. Think it's still wanna be great, so don't fuck up my vibe. When they wanna fuss, I just bust and slide. She know I'm going straight to the money.
Made it to Daytona.
Then we get so loud, I should name it Coachella. Bubbalada's Coachella. Give me your pass, boy, you not on my level. That shit that you pull, you ass to the right. This might be the night you go dance with the devil. Your grand Douglas, always had with the show. And the next nigga play, getting flow like a pro. I was trying to be humble, unleash the flag. I'm dropping the price on the track. Yeah, they kept it silent, free play, free read. With my little brother jump, I'ma give him to G. No stress to re-up until everyone else. At 3 a.m. damn it, I'm still counting up. This bitch in my inbox, she just wanna fuck. But I got no time, cause I'm still counting up. I started from nothing, don't look at me now. Look at me from the bottom with keys to the sky. Now I'm on this, I land on getting back high. Better wake up, we here, our location to buy. Been taking a hit so the hood never tries. Play with that money, somebody gon' die. I had to re-up and do it again. Yeah, I had to re-up and do it again. I know the folks wanna keep the dough in. Supply the legitimate customers spend. Don't plan on going to prison again, but shout out to tell the boys to get it in. Just bought a new safe and stuff it with bins. Stashing the money and helping my kin. Police kept pulling me, sit on the bench. Somebody singing, think one of my friends. You think it's a case of somebody get shot?